to guide and protect our people. We likewise honor our beloved patroness, the Immaculate Conception, whose loving intercession continues to watch over the municipality of Hilongos. Our honored guest, who has graced us with his presence, our DILG Regional Director, Mr. Arnel Agabi, our Provincial Director of DILG, Johannes Dorado, First Lieutenant Mark Daos, Philippine Army, Lieutenant Colonel Frank Celeste Saison, Philippine Army, our Honorable Vice Mayor Albert R. Villahermosa, honorable members of the Sangguniang Bayan, department heads, representatives from national government agencies, our uniformed personnel, partners, and private sector and civil society, and to all my fellow Hilongosnos, maadong buntag o maadong pagsaulog sa atong ikasinto 28 katuig sa adlaw sa kagawasan sa Pilipinas. This year's theme, Kalayaan, Kinabukasan, Kasaysayan, invites us not only remember where we came from, but also to reflect on where we are headed as a people. And perhaps there is no better reminder of this than our nation witnessed on Monday morning, June 8, 2026, while children across the country were attending their first day of classes, while they stood together for their first class ceremony of the school year. A powerful earthquake struck parts of Mindanao. Many of us saw the images. Children standing beneath the Philippine flag, children holding to one another, teachers guiding students to safety, and amidst the fear of uncertainty, one message echoed across social media: the flag saved our children today. Of course, it is not the cloth itself that protected them. It was the flag represented. It represented discipline, it represented preparedness, it represented trust, it represented unity. For a brief moment, all the noise disappeared, the political arguments disappeared, the division between the left and right disappeared, the endless debate about who is right or who is wrong disappeared. Because when the ground begins to shake beneath our feet, when faced with something so much bigger than ourselves, none of those things matter. What matters is that we stand together. What matters is that we look after one another. What matters is that we remember we are one people under one flag. That is the lesson of our heroes understood when they fought for our freedom. They came from different provinces, different families, different beliefs, and different walks of life. Yet, when the future of the nation was at stake, they chose unity over division. Today, as we celebrate our freedom, let us also renew that commitment. Let us choose understanding over hostility. Let us choose dialogue over division. Let us choose country over calm. Because the future we seek cannot be built by Filipinos pulling in opposite directions. It can only be built by Filipinos moving forwards together. That is the challenge of our generation. That is our responsibility to history. And that is how we honor the sacrifices of those who came before us. Isipin niyo ngayon, puno ako sa paglaban. Kay nakita ko ang puso ng pabilin sa kasing-kasing sa matang Hilongosnon. Nakita ko kung giunsa nato pagkatubang o paglaban sa matang hangin sa pabilin nato. O kanato nakita bisan lahi-lahi magkitao gunahuna, ano na kita'y nakahiusang damgo na nagbukos kanato o kini walay lain, kundi ang pag-andam o mas hayag nga kaugahon sa atong mga kabataan. May this Independence Day remind us that freedom is not only a gift we inherited. It is a responsibility we must protect. for our kalayaan, for our kinabukasan, and for the kasaysayan that future generations will one day write about us. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang Ilongos, daghang salamat o angat ka, Ilongos nun.
Masyadang naos mabon, mga daon mo baro.